Hello, everyone. This is the beginning of the next series of lessons, and we will be focusing on modes. So, what is a mode? A mode, in simplified terms, is a different flavor to your major scale. I use the term flavor because it is an attribute that is already present, but is in a state that requires activation. For emphasis, to correlate this to one of the key takeaways from the content in previous lessons, if the scale is your compass, a mode is a detour to the same destination. Remember, the circle of fifths here represents the notes you start your melody on and is guided by the notes in the scale. So we have here the key of C major, G major, D major, A major, all in the circle of fifths, and all of these notes on the keyboard, C, G, D, and A, are the notes that you typically start your melody on. Now, if a mode is an extension of that, how do you unlock that flavor? You unlock this flavor by simply starting your melody on a different note than the first note in the major scale that you select. So, for example, in the key of C major, you would access another mode by starting your melody on the note of D or the note of E. So in total, you have 7 modes that you can access whenever you decide to change the root note that you start your melody on. You have the Ionian mode, the Dorian mode, the Phrygian mode, the Lydian mode, Mixolydian mode, Aeolian mode, and Locrian mode. Now, each mode starts on a different note for each major scale. Okay, so for example, this is the G major scale, and its modes in sequence. Ionian, which is the default mode for every major scale. Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian, and Locrian. Now, to access the modes on the scale clip, you just simply use the keypad. So 1 is Ionian, the number 2 is Dorian, 3 Phrygian, 4 Lydian, 5 Mixolydian, and so forth. So this applies to every single major scale. So for emphasis, let's go to A major. Ionian is the default, remember that. 2 for Dorian in A major. Press 3 for Phrygian in A major. 4 for Lydian in A major, and so forth. Now, the scale clip is an app that gives you access to over 150 scales and modes. It complements your digital audio workstation and serves as your compass to infectious melodies. Now half off for a limited time at www.soundguns.com. That's it. Please subscribe, like, and share, and tune in next Friday for part 2 of this series.